Today, we're recreating Princess Leia's buns. Nope, not those buns, these buns. Princess Leia's cinnamon buns. The perfect snack right before a rebel attack. So starting with the dough, we're gonna put in a mixer, milk, yeast, sugar, and eggs. Give those a quick stir, then add your flour and the salt on top. Put on your dough hook attachment and mix until it's just combined. Then add in your room temperature butter and then mix your dough for about 8 minutes. You'll know your dough is ready when it passes the window test. Then get a bowl, spray your bowl with oil, throw your dough into the bowl and cover, and set that aside until it doubles in size. In the meantime, using a mixing bowl, mix together brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter using a paddle. Once the mixture is thoroughly combined and nice and soft, put that aside for later. In another bowl, we're going to mix together powdered sugar and water. When we add the water, we're going to put it in small amounts because it's very easy to add too much water to this, and you really don't need that much. This is going to be your glaze at the end, so it should be thick, but it should be runny enough that you could drizzle over your cinnamon buns at the end. When your dough is ready, dust your table with some flour and take your dough out. You're going to roll your dough out until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Then spread your cinnamon smear mixture on top. You really only need to do half of this, but we got a little excited and we just did the whole thing. Because now you're gonna fold your dough in half, then take a pizza cutter and cut them into 1/2 inch strips. And then we do the twist. Take your twisted dough strings, coil them into a bun and tuck in the end piece. Line up your dough on some sheet pans with parchment paper, and then we set those aside until they double in size again. When those are ready, we're going to throw them into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And lastly, once your warm buns have cooled down a little bit, we're just going to hit them with that thick, gooey stuff. And there you have it, Princess Leia's cinnamon buns. Anyways, that does it for this video. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and let us know what you're doing this May 4th. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Do it now. This is the channel you should be subscribed to. And until next time, Counterfits, may the 4th be with you. See ya!